Hello everyone, I bring you a video about good price action in the financial market. In this case, we're only going to use zigzag. I already made a similar video, but let's use it. The concept of support and resistance and candlestick patterns, and we're going to take 3 entries. I don't know what candlestick pattern is going to occur, but I'm going to take the base on the criteria. First, we have to identify the support and resistance zones. So resistance to support when the prices go to that point and does not pass it twice. Let's see M1, a downward trend right here. The trend is bearish, but I have to wait for this happens in M1. I don't have a clear partner, but I see a strong rejection, right? With this candle, I couldn't get up the right trend, but when weight breaks to 30-second zone, we are last in 30 seconds. I can enter. Why? Because it could form a range in the price. Okay, can be fall. Let's wait and see what it does. If there is a close above the zone as last 30 seconds or 1 minute, then I could consider entering on the upside. Let's see. Okay. Alright, 5, 4, 3 seconds and 2 seconds. Okay, I entered on the upside. And Euro stayed up because there are favors here. Look at what the price is doing. Okay, it's already zigzagging and starting to draw me an upward. The part here is, look, it's falling. Yeah, that the wick falls against here doesn't go through, and this is go up. Good, here is rejects. Here's the price return to this point and rejects at the lowest point. Falls again, rejects again, and just go up. That's the first 1 minute T-stands that tell me the look has come up. The price falls with rejection. The price, the entry is good, and this one here is used on large conceptions and bonds and so on. There's nothing here. If you see that the resistance becomes support, theoretically the price should fall, and all this. What's in doing second into the first trade? So I have 5 seconds right now and need to wait for that. Let's see this. And we have the first win on this, guys. I have already called this first trade. See how I'll apply those concepts. I'm waiting for it to break up. And last, now I'll look for another entry, and when I have it, I will take it and explain it. And it's going up. Look at this. I have a reaction. And this one's a pattern it's forming right here, and that's support level, guys. Now I have it in markets. There it is, where the price will go up. Yeah, but where does it sound like it will go up? Around there. Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. That would my projection. The price will look for the area. Okay, here we have to see not where I am, but how much I am, because it could be the entry point where there shouldn't be. The candlestick pattern are. That is the candlestick pattern it's forming. We can say that is a hammer plus engulfment pattern, and it's not support zone. Well, it will close to support zone. Okay, but 2 candles can happen. That is, the first one can be red and the next one green. Alright, the important thing here is to go with the trend. If you go against this, we will easily lose. We don't want to do this. Short position gain on this Euro GBP, guys. We could have waited for the pullback on this candle, 124. So it could be 1 minute. Good, 1 minute of rejection, but in the end, good, the candles change, but fair of support. In that support zone, and in 30 seconds, see that in 30 seconds, see the candlesticks pattern in 1 minute. This is if the candlesticks enter, I lose, and then the seconds one proves me right. Let's see the next candle, guys. The payment, oh my god, the payout, guys, look at this, $38, 38%, sorry. That's very low, okay? But it doesn't matter for the explanation. I think that's fine, okay? Let's use this one. Let's look for another trade. When I have it, I will take and explain it to you. Okay, your USD, we got a downtrend, we got a sell button. Look at the movements. Let's go to M1. What trend is this? Okay, clearly it's bearish. No, the minutes it's closing. There is an envelope. Okay, it's stuck. It's just pulling back. It's 30 seconds. We are seeing this. The price is falling. When the price is rising, it rejects. Okay, that's why I enter here, because I see a rejection happen right here. There's a zone of impact, so two space of a reaction, the zone where the price previously low is down, and I must be careful. Let's see if the price falls, but look at how it ends. There's a lot of volatility in the pair. It's rise again and rejects. 80 seconds. We need to wait for this. 7, 6, 5, 4, 2. Oh my goodness. Oh, that was a draw, man. Look, that was so close. Oh, we got a draw on this. Okay. That's already very dangerous, isn't it? Look at the prices waking, but the wakes aren't going up either. But I don't see the prices on interesting for me. I will see that gas close possible. Oh my goodness, guys. We got this. Her attack. But I don't see the prices on them interesting here. Okay. The support becomes circular resistance. I don't know if it will go up at once. Alright, if the price goes up or rejects it, I would feel the drop. It's rejecting candle, not waiting for the entry. Let's entry the third entry right here. So I have draw in the previous pair. I didn't lose an upward on DBP. So let's try this one. These movements you see there, while the price is structures tells me it's going up, not going down. We got it. Lateral trends support me here. Structures chance, but look, it's not bringing the zone. That is when the price returns to the zone. It's go back up. Okay, period. That tells me the trend is just liquidated, how the price may continue to rise. Right, not yet. It hasn't validated support, has it? But look, we have another forward gap right here. Okay, and that's why the answer is criterion. Let's see the M1. I have a strong government candle. The candles also a lot of candles.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
And that's giving me strength. I'm going to say that's 2 candles and someone soldier. And look at this, guys. We got one more. Okay, another win on GBP was the pair. Now those are quick position, and well, that was expected. I increased my count 48 to 232, guys, among the trades. I tied one, which is good. I didn't lose in that, but hey, the financial markets, you have to go with the trend. In most of the cases, I'm winning with the trend, and that is what matters. I'm getting the right calls, and well, that's about it. I have made videos similar to this one. And it's important to mention then, price actions is very good in financial markets. And that's good for you because if you have enough patience, when you get good entries and with 5 entries or not in a day, it's more than enough. It's half planned, it's based on this. I don't usually trade this. You don't have to rush 20 trades. Sometimes I read comments, I think it's a loss. But hey, that's up to each person. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please like this video and leave your comments and let us know your opinion about this type of candlestick pattern. See you in the next video. Until the next one.